G'day. Today I want to talk to you about using cash versus equity for your next investment property purchase. Well, some of you might say, what's the difference? It's the same thing. Well, it's not. Cash is sitting in a bank account, not attached to a home or a home loan anywhere, and it's just there ready to go at the drop of a hat, very liquid, and you can use it when you want. Equity is an amount that you have pulled from another property, be it your home or another investment property, and you're using that as a deposit on your next investment property purchase. So the big difference is that equity is always borrowed. So that actually has an amount of debt attached to it. The whole thing is debt, and it has an interest rate. And that interest rate means that it gets added to your new interest rate of your new property. So if you use a 20% deposit on an investment property and it's equity, and you use an 80% loan on that investment property, that's 100% lending on that property. If you use cash for your deposit on your next investment property, that is 20% in cash with no interest rate attached to it from anywhere else because it was just sitting there, and 80% as a loan on that investment property. That's a substantial difference. And of course, if you have the cash available, you can scale up or down that deposit amount what you see fit and you're comfortable with. However, the cost of opportunity that comes with cash means that you should have been getting a rate of return with your cash sitting in a bank account somewhere. And you need to ask yourself, was I getting the equivalent of what I would save on a loan? Or can I move that cash somewhere else and use it for something different and get a different return? And those are all questions you've got to ask yourself, and they're not something that anyone can just blanket tell you what to do. That is individual decisions that you need to make about managing your money. This is 2 Minutes Tops.